Okay, it's a little cold. I don't know how long the battery's gonna last. But this is Vancouver. I couldn't believe it. There's snow like half an hour away from Vancouver. Okay? Can you believe this? I got snow, and over there is Vancouver, Stanley Park. I couldn't believe this. Good sunset area. Not as good as Mountain, but it's a good sunset area. I managed to do this hike with Shona in my hiking boots. Thought I might need to rent snowshoes, and I didn't, and it's pretty hard packed. They have these little level indicators that show where the snow was, the highest point last year, and we were walking about 8-9 feet below where it is. So I was surprised. I didn't realize that Vancouver got as much snow or was as close to mountainous terrain as closer than Calgary. But Calgary's got larger mountains. I'm here with Shona, Kendra, her friend, their friend Hannah, who are enjoying the hike, and it's really good. Let's watch some sun. Very good debrief before getting home. I'm glad I came out to Vancouver.